Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the headlight fuses are located on this 2008 Chevy Impala. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. The first thing we need to do is pop our hood. Now that we're under the hood, this is our under the hood fuse box here. So we're going to open this cap by lifting on these tabs on the side. Then you can pull this lid right out of here. On the back of our cover here, we have a legend to tell you where stuff is. And you see these 4 fuses here are for our headlights. So those are going to be these 4 10-amp fuses right down here in the corner. So our left-hand low beam is the top one, our right-hand low beam is the second, our left-hand high beam is the next one down, and the last is the right-hand high beam. Again, those are these 4 red 10-amp fuses right here in the corner. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.